Hey everyone, this is Dr. Dejti with the Countryside Clinic. I have Miss Laura with me today. She's going to be sharing her story as far as how she's been doing as far as her knee and what brought her in. So Miss Laura, you can go ahead.
So what brought me in was that I was having chronic, not pain, but just discomfort, and I wasn't able to do things that I used to be able to do. I wanted to be able to do 5Ks and do hiking with my kids, or even just get on the floor. I was having a lot of pain when I would try to do those things, and it wouldn't be like a constant pain. It would just be like, oh, I shouldn't do that. I didn't have to have medications or anything like that, but sometimes they would get achy and I'd have to get up and walk around. But since treatment, I can already tell a difference. I am able to squat again. I don't have the aching pain when I sit for long times, and it's just, I can already just tell it's better.
So what are your goals moving forward? So since you've been doing better.
I just want to be able to be more active in life and get to do things again.
Awesome. All right. Well, we'll check back later. So.